Imagine being able to wake up every day without worrying about money. Think about the freedom to do what you love, spend time with your family, and travel the world. This dream can become a reality if you follow the right steps. Robert Kiyosaki, the author of the famous book, Rich Dad, Poor Dad, teaches us how to achieve this kind of financial freedom. In this video, we will explore 7 key lessons from Kiyosaki that you need to learn for your financial freedom. These lessons go beyond saving money and working a regular job. They focus on understanding how money works, investing wisely, and creating multiple streams of income. We will also discuss smart investment strategies, the mindset needed for wealth, and the ultimate goal of financial independence. By the end of this video, you will have a clear roadmap to start your journey towards financial freedom. Let's dive into these 7 essential lessons and discover how you can take control of your financial future. Number 1. Understanding financial education. Robert Kiyosaki learned early in life that financial education is more important than traditional schooling. Growing up, he had 2 father figures, his real dad, whom he calls Poor Dad, and his best friend's father, whom he calls Rich Dad. Poor Dad believed in getting a good job and saving money, while Rich Dad believed in financial education and making money work for you. Kiyosaki saw that Rich Dad's approach led to wealth and freedom. Rich Dad taught him that schools don't teach us about money. They teach us how to be good employees, but not how to manage money or invest it wisely. Financial education means learning about how money works, how to invest, and how to make smart financial decisions. It's about understanding the difference between good debt and bad debt, how to build assets, and how to create income streams. Let's meet Sarah, who is struggling with debt despite having a good job. She started reading about financial education and learned how to manage her money better. She invested in real estate and stocks, and over time, she built enough wealth to quit her job and enjoy financial freedom. By focusing on financial education, you can gain the knowledge needed to make smart money decisions and achieve financial freedom. Number 2. The difference between assets and liabilities. One of the most important lessons Robert Kiyosaki teaches is understanding the difference between assets and liabilities. Many people think that things like cars, houses, and expensive gadgets are assets. However, Kiyosaki explains that these can often be liabilities. An asset is something that puts money in your pocket. It can be a rental property, stocks, bonds, or a business that generates income. For example, if you buy a rental property, the rent you collect each month is money coming into your pocket. This makes it an asset. A liability, on the other hand, is something that takes money out of your pocket. Even if you own a big house, if you have to pay a mortgage, property taxes, and maintenance costs, it's taking money away from you. That makes it a liability, not an asset. Take John, for instance. He bought a fancy car thinking it was an asset. But every month, he had to pay for the loan, insurance, and maintenance. This drained his finances. Once he understood Kiyosaki's lesson, he sold the car and invested in stocks, which started bringing in dividends every quarter. Focusing on acquiring assets and reducing liabilities, you can improve your financial health and move closer to financial freedom. Number 3. The power of passive income. Another key lesson from Robert Kiyosaki is the importance of passive income. Passive income is money you earn without having to work for it every day. This type of income continues to flow in even when you're not actively working, unlike a regular job where you trade time for money. Kiyosaki believes that building passive income streams is essential for financial freedom. This could come from investments such as rental properties, dividends from stocks, or owning a business that others manage for you. Consider Lisa's story. Lisa worked a 9-to-5 job and found it hard to save money. After learning about passive income, she decided to invest in a small rental property. Each month, she received rent payments, which became a steady source of income. She then invested in dividend-paying stocks, adding another stream of passive income. Over time, these investments grew, and Lisa found she no longer needed to rely solely on her job. She had money coming in from multiple sources. By creating passive income streams, you can build wealth without being tied to a job. This allows you to have more free time and ultimately achieve financial freedom. Focus on building passive income to secure a stable financial future. Number 4. The role of entrepreneurship. Robert Kiyosaki emphasizes that entrepreneurship plays a crucial role in achieving financial freedom. Unlike a traditional job, where you work for someone else, being an entrepreneur means creating your own business and taking control of your financial destiny. Kiyosaki's journey as an entrepreneur started with small businesses and investments. He learned that being an entrepreneur allows you to create multiple streams of income and build wealth more effectively. Entrepreneurship encourages innovation, risk-taking, and the potential for higher returns. Take Mark's story as an example. Mark was tired of his 9-to-5 job and wanted more financial security. He decided to start a small online store selling handmade crafts. Initially, it was a side project, but as he dedicated more time and effort, his business grew. Soon, he was making more money from his business than from his job. Mark eventually quit his job to focus entirely on his business, enjoying the freedom and financial rewards of being his own boss. Entrepreneurship allows you to leverage your skills and passions to create something valuable. It provides opportunities for significant income growth and financial independence. By embracing entrepreneurship, you can take charge of your financial future and work towards financial freedom. Number 5. Investment strategies. Robert Kiyosaki teaches that smart investment strategies are key to building wealth and achieving financial freedom. Investing is about making your money work for you, rather than you working for money. Kiyosaki recommends diversifying your investments to spread risk. This means not putting all your money into one type of investment. Instead, invest in a mix of assets like real estate, stocks, bonds, and even businesses. Each type of investment has its own risks and rewards, and diversification helps protect your overall financial health. For example, Jane started by investing in the stock market. She bought shares in well-known companies and watched her money grow over time through dividends and capital gains. She then diversified by purchasing a rental property, which provided a steady stream of passive income. Later, she invested in bonds for more stable, lower-risk returns. By following Kiyosaki's advice, Jane built a robust investment portfolio that grew steadily, even when some investments didn't perform well. This balanced approach helped her build wealth and move closer to financial freedom. Investing wisely means learning about different investment options and making informed decisions. Start small, diversify your investments, and stay patient. Over time, smart investment strategies can significantly boost your financial independence. Number 6. The mindset of wealth. Robert Kiyosaki teaches that having the right mindset is crucial for building wealth. The mindset of wealth means thinking positively about money and believing that you can achieve financial success. It's about having the confidence to take risks and the patience to wait for results. Many people have a scarcity mindset, believing there's never enough money. This fear can hold them back from taking opportunities. Kiyosaki encourages adopting an abundance mindset, which is the belief that there are plenty of opportunities to earn and grow money. Consider Emma's story. She always worried about money and avoided investing because she was afraid of losing her savings. After reading Kiyosaki's books, she changed her mindset. She started seeing money as a tool to achieve her goals, not something to fear. Emma began investing small amounts and gradually increased her investments as she gained confidence. This shift in mindset helped Emma take control of her financial future. She was no longer held back by fear and began to see more opportunities to grow her wealth. By developing a mindset of wealth, you can overcome fears and take the necessary steps towards financial freedom. Believe in your ability to succeed, stay positive, and keep learning. A strong, positive mindset is the foundation for building lasting wealth. Number 7. The importance of financial independence. Robert Kiyosaki emphasizes that the ultimate goal of financial freedom is financial independence. Financial independence means having enough money to support yourself without relying on a job or others. It allows you to live the life you want, free from financial stress. Financial independence gives you the freedom to make choices based on what you enjoy, not just on what pays the bills. It means you can pursue passions, spend time with family, travel, or even start new projects without worrying about money. Take the story of Michael, for instance. Michael worked hard for many years, saving and investing wisely. He built multiple streams of passive income from rental properties and investments. Eventually, his passive income surpassed his living expenses. Michael achieved financial independence and decided to retire early. Now, he spends his time traveling and volunteering for causes he cares about, living life on his terms. Financial independence requires planning, discipline, and smart financial decisions. It's about building enough assets and income streams to cover your expenses indefinitely. By aiming for financial independence, you gain control over your life and future. Start planning today, set clear financial goals, and work towards building a stable and independent financial foundation. Financial independence is the key to a fulfilling and worry-free life. Now, if you want to learn how to achieve financial success, then watch this video next. And if you made it to this point of the video, please like and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.